Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to attach folder in Outlook and show you the correct way to send an entire folder through email. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your computer, which is also known as Windows Explorer. This is where all your files and folders are stored, and you need it to locate the folder you want to send. Step 2. Navigate through your files and find the folder you want to attach. Then right-click on it. Right-clicking opens a menu with extra options you can use to manage or share the folder. Step 3. From the menu, hover over the option that says Send To, then click on the compressed zip folder. This step is important because Outlook cannot attach folders directly, so compressing turns the folder into a single file. Step 4. Once the zip file is created, open Outlook and click on New Email to start a new message. This is where you will attach the compressed folder and prepare your email. Step 5. In the new email window, click on the Paperclip icon, which is used to add attachments. Then select Browse this PC so you can choose files saved on your computer. Step 6. Find the compressed zip folder you created earlier, select it, and click Open. The zip folder will now be attached to your email and ready to send. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Outlook tutorials.